Hello teachers and staff. Today we're going to review how to put in a technology work ticket. The first thing you'll need to do is to go to the Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools page and go to Employee Resources. You'll then click on the button that looks like a piece of paper. You'll want to scroll down to the icon here that says Technology Work Orders. When you get here, you're going to sign in with Google. Once you do that, if you've had any work tickets submitted for you or by you, they will show up on your home page. Over on the right hand side, you're going to click Add New. For the description, you're going to put in as much detail as possible. That way, either myself, Cassidy, or the technology department can assist in correcting whatever issue may be going on with the technology in your classroom. For status, you're going to put in New. You're going to scroll down here. Is it a login account issue, applications and software? Most of the time what you're going to be working with is either laptop or Chromebook. Okay. If you click Chromebook, it's going to ask you some more questions under type. Is it a broken screen? Is it damaged keyboard? Anything like that. Once you've clicked New Ticket, you'll go down to Type Categories. It could be account and login information, applications or software. Most of ours will either be Chromebook or laptop. Under Chromebook, under Types, you'll see you have a choice of broken screens, lost, stolen, or total damage. It could be other, broken keyboard. Again, whichever fits the category of your issue is what you will want to select. If you put in broken keyboard, make sure in the description you tell what is broken about it, whether it's missing keys, if it's cracked. That way when Cassidy comes to fix it, he can make sure he has the correct supplies. For priority, most of ours is going to be moderate to low. We do have at this time replacement Chromebooks or loaner Chromebooks that we can loan out to you. High or critical would be something like your Promethean board or your laptop that has broken. For related user, this is where you're going to just start typing in your last name. And it will automatically populate your job title and your location, Petrie Elementary. Then you can go down, you can type in related location. If you start typing room, you can scroll and find your room number and site, again, Petrie Elementary. For related asset, this is important. If you are reporting an iPad, a Chromebook, or your laptop, it is important to put in the related asset. So on the back of the Chromebook, two different locations. If the sticker is there, which it should be, is the serial number that I have highlighted here. If this sticker is missing, up at the top where it says S/N, it's what is after that. Now, I will tell you that that is sometimes hard to see. It's best if you blow it up with your phone camera. Once you finish that, you're going to click Save. If you click Save, you're only saving that ticket to yourself. If you click Save and Send, that's where it's going to send off to either myself or Cassidy or the tech department. You can either print your work ticket or on a sticky note, type in the ticket ID number. Once you do that, please, even if it's a sticky note, put a piece of tape on it so that it doesn't come off. You'll also want to put your name and your room number on that sticky note. Bring it down to the media center and you'll put it in this cart that is right inside of the media center door, and just please put it on the inside in one of the slots. We cannot be responsible if you leave it on top of the cart and it goes missing. So please put it on the inside of the cart. If you have any further questions on how to submit a work ticket, please don't hesitate to come down and see me, and I will help you in any way possible. Thank you.